Hey, little cousin said that is giving Moesha. Girl, what? Hey girl, so yes, I look a little bit different right now. That is because I'm doing something a little bit different today. I have my glass of wine, doing a quick weave. Now, y'all, so I'm one of the black girls that can't braid. Yeah, I'm one of those. Unfortunately, I'm just gonna put my pride aside and say I cannot braid. Okay, I cannot braid to the scalp. Now I can do like mini twists and little things like that, but I cannot braid to the scalp. So what I do, I had to go and book the appointment so they can just braid the front part of my hair so I can do the style. Okay, the type of style that I'm going for, I will include some pictures right here. Girl, it's so cute. It's giving like 90s fine. It's giving like, very grown. The hairstyle is giving very grown. So I want to try something different. So I'm going to be just showing you guys how I do my quick weave. So please excuse my loud air conditioning. Okay, I have my air on. So if you hear that noise in the background, my air is going on and off, girl. But first off, these are the braids. I went and got them done this morning. So what I like to do is I'm just going to just pin or maybe put this like in a ponytail. Use your protecting bun anytime that you are doing a quick weave to protect your real hair so that no glue will get on your natural hair, your real hair. So some people just use this and just call it a day, but I like to go with the extra layer to make sure that no glue is getting on my hair. So I also go in with any type of like spray. So an extra layer, that's all. It's just an extra layer, y'all. So right here, guys, what I'm doing is just putting all of that protective shield onto my head. You can use as much as needed. Just gotta let this dry down, okay? You don't want to go in and start laying your tracks while this is still kind of wet or damp. You want to make sure that this is completely dry, girl. And your got to be glue spray or however you do your quick weave, and you try to lay those tracks down before you had a chance to let this dry, then your tracks are not going to lay flat. Then go in with my blow dryer and I'm just going to just dry this. You can either sit up under dryer, a hooded dryer, or in my case I'm using a blow dryer because I don't have my hooded dryer with me. Okay, girls, so we are pretty much dry now. So I got this hair from my beauty supply store, girl, but it's by Kiss and it's 100% human hair. I love how it's full from the top to bottom. Packaging looks like. So now, guys, what I'm doing now is you want to make sure that you are measuring each track. Okay, so when you measure, you're going to just measure it from ear to ear. And so I measured it and now I'm cutting off where I measured at. Now I'm taking my glue. I'm going to lay this glue directly on the thread, directly on that track. And then I'm placing that track exactly where I measured it at from ear to ear. And as you can see, I'm placing that track right at the center, right below, right at the edge to give you more of a fuller look. I want to make sure that I'm able to use every piece of a bundle. So I'm starting right at the nape of my head so that I can get a fuller look, and I'm just going back and forth measuring each track then putting the glue on and laying it down on my stocking cap. You also want to make sure that you are drying each track that you lay so that glue can stay put and it can get kind of tacky. So as you see now, I'm just measuring, placing the glue on, laying a track, just repeating that step over and over again. So far. All right, so all the tracks are laid, so we're basically done. I don't know, girl. I really don't know how this is gonna turn out, girl. I don't know, girl. Done yet styling this hairstyle, but I did go in and cut it. So I cut it just a little bit, just to kind of shape my face a little bit. I have my curling irons because I want to try to curl it right quick. So the hair is about 90% complete. Let's just do some makeup because of course we got to see if this hair looks good. So I'm gonna do my makeup and everything just to make sure, girl, like the hair is giving. So let's do a little bit of makeup. Alrighty, girls, so it's safe to say that the makeup look with the hair, yeah. Now I can get a full look, a full vision, like, yeah, I ate. Yes, this is so cute. I can finally say that I love the hairstyle. Yes, I love the hairstyle. So this is the completed look of the hair. Let me know how you guys like it. I feel like it's very different for me. It's very new, but I like it. It's so cute. It is so stinking cute. My little cousin said that it's a giving Moesha. Girl, what? But that's what she said. But I like it. I love this hairstyle a lot. So cute. But anywho, girl, I will be talking with you later. Oh, and by the way, I did film this makeup look for you guys, so that video should be up soon. Just give me a little few business days, girl, to edit it, okay? But it will be up. But I want to say thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out with me, and hopefully I see you on the next video, same place, same time. Yeah. All right, girl, have a good day. I'll talk with you soon. Bye.